So good day everyone, and this is my figure, and this is the front, and this is the back. So we have P0 as do nothing, P1 as to rotate 45 degrees clockwise, P2 rotate 90 degrees clockwise, P3 rotate 135 degrees clockwise, P4 rotate 180 degrees clockwise, P5 rotate 225 clockwise, and P6 rotate 270 clockwise. And the last for the front is P7, rotate 315 clockwise. And next we have the back. R1 is flip vertically, R2 move the upper left petal, R3 left diagonal, R4 move the lower left petal, R5 flip horizontally, R6 move the upper right petal, R7 right diagonal, R8 the lower right petal. So next, this is the final project 5 pala. And next we have the 4 rotations naman, and first is do nothing. For P0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For P1, the rotate 45 degrees the clockwise, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And then next for P2, we have rotate 3, 4, 5, 90 degrees clockwise, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. And if we have rotate for P3, rotate 135 degrees clockwise, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. And next we have 4P for P4, rotate 180 clockwise. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for P5, we have the 225 degrees clockwise. We have 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the P6, rotate 270 clockwise. We have 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have rotate 315 degrees clockwise. We have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So next for the flipping, we have R1 flip vertically. We have 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And P2, move the upper left petal. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the R3 left diagonal, we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And R4, move the lower left petal. We have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7. So R5 flip horizontally, 8, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5. And we have R6, move the upper right petal. We have 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5. For right diagonal, R7, we have 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5. And for R8, we have 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So next, now let's look for the element that would fill the table. So PO star PO, here we have P sub 0. P sub 0 pala siya. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So P sub 0, P sub 0 is the P sub 1, so we have still P sub 1. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. And then next we have P sub 0 and P sub 2. P sub 0 is the P sub 2. We have multiplied by P sub 0 multiplied P sub 2. We have also still P sub 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. P sub 0 multiplied by P sub 3. We also have P sub 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. P sub 0 is multiply P sub 4. We have also have P sub 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So P sub 0 multiply P sub 5. We also have P sub 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P sub 0 multiply P sub 6. We also have P sub 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next, the last one is P sub 0 multiplied by P sub 7. We also have a P sub 7. That's also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So as you can see, all the pair is identity. So the so yung identity natin dito is P sub 0 yung identity natin. Makikita naman natin yung mga sagot is pag pinipair natin, siya pa rin A star is equals to A pa rin. Yan. So next we have the multiply the table. Para na makuha natin table. P sub 1 multiply by P sub 1 equals to P sub 2. P sub 3 we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. P sub 1 multiplied by P sub 2, we have P sub 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. P sub 1 multiplied by P sub 3, we have P sub 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. P sub 1 multiplied by P sub 4, we have P sub 5. So we have 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and P sub 1 multiplied by P sub 5, we have P sub 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So P sub 1 multiplied by P sub 6, we have P sub 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P sub 1 multiplied by P sub 7, so we have P sub 0, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. P sub 2 multiplied by P sub 2, we have P sub 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. P sub 2 multiplied by P sub 3, we have P sub 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P sub 2 multiplied by P sub 4, we have P sub 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. P sub 2 multiplied by P sub 5, we have P sub 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. P sub 2 multiplied by P sub 6, we have P sub 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. P sub 2 multiplied by P sub 1, P sub 7, we have a P sub 1. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. P sub 3 multiplied by P sub 3, we have P sub 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So P sub 3 multiplied by P sub 4, we have P sub 7. P sub 3 multiplied by P sub 5, we have P sub 0. So P sub 3 multiplied by P sub 6, we have P sub 1. P sub 3 multiplied by P sub 7 is equals to P sub 2. So next we have P sub 4 multiplied by P sub 4. We have a P sub 0. P sub 4 multiplied by P sub 5. So we have P sub 1, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. P sub 4 multiplied by P sub 6. So we have P sub 2, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. P sub 4 multiplied by P sub 7, we have a P sub 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. P sub 5 multiplied by P sub 5, we have P sub 2, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. P sub 6 multiplied by P sub 5 multiplied by P sub 6, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have P sub 3, which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. P sub 5 multiplied by P sub 7, we also have P sub 4, equals to P sub 4, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. P sub 6 multiplied by P sub 6, we have P sub 4 also. P sub 6 multiplied by P sub 7, we also have P sub 5, which is 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P sub 7 multiplied by P sub 7, we also have P sub 5. So next we have R sub 1 and R sub 2 equals to R sub 7. R sub 1 and R sub 2, we have also have a R sub P sub 0. R sub 1 multiplied by R sub 4, we have P sub 5. R sub 1 multiplied by R sub 5, we have P sub 4, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And R sub 1, R sub 1 multiplied by R sub 6, we have P sub 3, which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So by continuing the process, and now to multiply the elements we get and completed the table. So lahat ng element na ginawa natin, nandirito siya. Ito yung sagot niya pag inayos natin siya sa table. So ito yung 100, ito yung original table natin. Ito yung sa original table natin. So tulad nung nasa isa natin, ito yung original table natin. Then, pag ni-rotate natin siya, ito, this is the rotated 180 degrees of the table. Ito yung original, and this is the 180 degrees. And let's check if the permutation is a group satisfy the condition. First, it is closed under the binary operation. It is associative. It has identity element and it has inverse elements for each element. So first we have closure. According to the table, the set remains closed under the binary operation since all the outcomes of the operation are elements that are still within the set. So close siya kasi nga lahat ng mga outcomes natin na nakuha ay nandirito siya sa set pa rin. Nasa set pa rin lahat ng outcomes na nakuha natin. O dito, lahat ng outcomes na nakuha natin nandirito pa rin sa set niya. So pag ganun, ang ibig sabihin, closure siya. So next we have the associativity. To verify the associativity of the operation table is rotated 180 degrees. So ito, nirotate na natin siya kanina ng ito yung original, then this is the rotated 180 degrees. And ano naman sila, magkapares naman sila. So the rows are interchanged based on the original arrangement. So ito yung mga rows na dapat i-interchange para makuha yung original arrangement ulit. So P sub 7 and P sub 1, P sub 5 and P sub 3, P sub 2 and P sub 6, we have R sub 1 and R sub 7, R sub 3 and R sub 5, R sub 2 and R sub 6. Ayan yung mga rows na rotate natin sa table. Ito yung mga rows and columns na i-interchange natin sa table. P sub 7, P sub 1, P sub 5, P sub 3, P sub 2, P sub 6, P sub 1, P sub R sub 1, R sub 7, R sub 3, R sub 5, R sub 4, and R sub 6. So based on the table, even after rotating and reorganizing its element, the structure stays the same as the original. The similarity indicates that the operation follows the associative properties. So, yung table natin is associativity kasi nga, pag ni-rotate, same pa rin. And then next, we have the identity element. Looking at that operation table, P sub 0 is the identity element. Tulad nga na sinabi ko kanina dito, dito, P sub 0 is the identity element natin. Kasi kung ano yung minultiply natin sa P sub 0, lumalabas pa rin yung pinang-multiply natin. So, this is so we have identity dito. Looking at the operation tables, P sub 0 is the identity element. Combining P sub 0 with any movement leaves, tulad na sabi ko kanina, the move unchanged since P sub 0 leaves the any elements unchanged when combined P sub 0, it's the identity element. So next, we check naman natin yung inverse element. So by looking at the table, we found out that every element that have identity also have an inverse. So the inverse of P sub 0 is P sub 0, the inverse of P sub 1 is P sub 7, the inverse of P sub 2 is P sub 6, the inverse of P sub 3 is P sub 5, the inverse of P sub 4 is P sub 4, the inverse of P sub 5 is P sub 3, the inverse of P sub 6 is P sub 2, the inverse of P sub 7 is P sub 1, and so on. By checking the closure, so therefore, by checking the closure, associativity, identity, element, and inverse element, finally, we can conclude that 16B is a group under the permutation multiplication. And that's all. Thank you.